F-15E Strike Eagle is an American all-weather multi-role strike fighter derived from the McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. The F-15E was designed in the 1980s for long-range, high-speed interdiction without relying on escort or electronic warfare aircraft. United States Air Force, USAF, F-15E Strike Eagles can be generally distinguished from other US Eagle variants by darker aircraft camouflage, conformal fuel tanks, CFTs, mounted along the engine intake ramps, although CFTs can also be mounted on earlier F-15 variants, and a tandem seat cockpit. The Strike Eagle has been deployed for military operations in Iraq, Afghanistan, Syria, and Libya, among others. During these operations, the strike fighter has carried out deep strikes against high-value targets in combat air patrols and provided close air support for coalition troops. It has also been exported to several countries. The United States Department of State approved a planned transaction to purchase 36 new F-15EX fighter jets produced by Boeing Company by Indonesia. By Bloomberg, Friday, 11/2/2022, the transaction to purchase fighter jets will strengthen U.S. relations with Indonesia, which is the largest economy in Southeast Asia. According to the U.S. State Department, the proposed sales value is about $9.5 billion for the aircraft and about $4.4 billion for related equipment. As a result, total sales almost reached $14 billion.